I have an emergency work, but I cannot type my. When I press one, it types 2. Why? I press just H, but 2 words type. What should I do? Okay.
And you can see 4 buttons. You have to click on the ease of access.
Make your computer easier to use.
Okay. Then
Windows will read and scan this list automatically.
thanks.
Press the space bar to select the highlighted option.
Okay. Then click on screen
Narrator.
keyboard. I know you can type. You can see a virtual keyboard. This is good. You enter your password by pressing here, then you
Password is private.
okay, you can successfully log into your PC. After that, you cannot use the keyboard up to now. Right now, what should you do? Right on. When you press on screen keyboard appeared.
So press enter, then you can see the keyboard.
It has different options and different things. It supports shortcuts and other things. For example, Control, Logo, Alt, Shift. You can select all of them. For example, let me open a notepad file.
New text document. For the name of that, the one that I'm writing here. I press enter, then press enter to open the notepad file.
Okay. Right now, let's check this keyboard on a notepad file. I click on here, then use it. As you can see, you can write and type it. I click on the shift and I can type. For example, when I click on the shift, I can write and type @ again. I can use hashtag. As you can see, this is magic. Okay, all of these things work, and you can use Ctrl Z and other things. These are the buttons that they are by default. They are on the top of the keyboard, but we can see them in here. If you wanted to use more options, click on the option. It appears here, and you have to enable both of them. I enable this, then I enable this. Enable these buttons. Then checkbox. Check this checkbox. Then press OK. You can see you have numlock. When numlock is enabled, you can type the words. When it is disabled, you can move them with the arrows. The good feature of that. And I have a tips for you. Click on the fade, move down and move up, and tell me in the comment section what is going on.
I hope you like this video, and this video can help you on your.
You may say that, oh, okay, Reza, we cannot type on because we don't have any keyboard. So what should I do? You can do this. This is the way on the Windows 10. Right click, taskbar setting, then press home button, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, see ease of access. Click on that, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, click on the keyboard.
Okay. Then in here you have to scroll and find
this. You can do this. When you press on here, you can see it at the first. Use your device without a physical keyboard. Use the on-screen keyboard. When you press true, or I can say on, it appears.
here, and you can
Shortcut of that is logo key plus control plus O. But we don't have any keyboard, so we have to come in here and use it.
I hope you like it, and let's go and see it on the Windows 11.
On the Windows 11 is too simple. Click taskbar setting, touch keyboard, turn it on, and you can see it in here.
When you click on that, I close it. Then you click on that. It will appear and you can use it.
As cool as possible, better than the Windows 10. I want to record this video in the different way, and I want to test it if this type of recording is better than the past part and the past videos that I make. I try and make the videos like this.